Back to it. Three, two, one. I look crazy. I literally came from pickleball straight to work. Because we have this stream tomorrow. And I'm actually really proud. Yeah, keep in mind the stream is in about 8 hours, a little bit less. However, I'm almost done. Like, look at all these sessions. These are all planned out, which I love that for me. I only have 2 more to do. So this could actually work.
2, 3.
Year 2. Back in. I'm gonna give you all behind the scenes look here. I'm gonna do my best to vlog today at what it's like a day in the life. Literally right now I'm driving in like an ice storm. Everything is completely iced over, but it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Update, we've gotten here an excellent time. 5:28, boarding starts at 5:30. Type of life you can live when you have pre-check and clear and no check bag. Let's get it. Right, first session is done. Now we're on to this one, which is more so around legal things with ERGs. And I actually just enjoy being in a quiet room because, believe it or not, like I don't even know if the word is social anxiety, but I do not like just socializing. So anyway, good news, the session was a huge success. Actually, they definitely love that session more than the first one, which I'm happy about, but they still love the first one. So I'm taking that as a win. Now this is a cute little spot. Look at us. We have a nice little view, little kitchen area, which is cool. They told me all of the snacks and waters are included. Doesn't happen too often. And they said whatever's in the fridge is included, so. Anyway, observe, like, man, I'm feeling fancy. Now, I thought I had a balcony, but I think it's just a river view, which is still cool. I mean, I can see the bridge, see the water. Anyway, off to the bedroom. Very sleek, very demure. And this bathroom, also very cutesy. And that concludes the room tour. Peace. Look at us. I like it. Which is the correct answer. And this is a tough one for people to hear.
We're interrupting this broadcast for a special announcement. The ERG recipe book has arrived. Wow! Order now and cook up the perfect program for your ERG. Place your order today while supplies last.
I feel like this should be captured, but don't exactly know what I'm capturing. Currently in Vegas, but a little lost, actually. Vegas is like not my favorite place, honestly. I just have to find where I'm supposed to be. That's the goal. It is day 1 of the conference. Great place to work for All Summit. It's my first time here at this conference, so we'll see what it's giving. Today is the ERG experience at the summit, so all day long it's all ERG stuff. So you know the ERG homegirl had to show up. More to come. Let me get to the place first. Okay, we have officially arrived. I literally walked around the entire hotel to get here. I'm technically staying there. I don't know how I just walked all the way around, but whatever. We're here now, I think. All right, we've made progress. At least now I'm in the right hotel. Okay, we have officially made it. Welcome to Vegas. I imagine like a dramatic, like zoom in, zoom out. I don't know. Anyway, I don't even know how I want to like start this. I should have rehearsed this part. I have officially made it to Las Vegas for Great Place to Work's For All Summit. Today is day 1, which is technically the ERG experience. And obviously, naturally, as an ERG homegirl, it's a place where I had to be. Now, that being said, There's a couple of reasons why I'm here. One, it's not my normal conference, one where I'm speaking and then I kind of dip out. Because if you really know me, you'll know I'm really a deep introvert despite this being my career. Because I know that there's a ton of people who are here in the space, in the ERG realm, I'm here as another means of providing value to the people I care about so much, ERG leaders and program managers. Now, how do I know that there's a lot of people, a lot of my people here? A couple of things. Thing one, it is the ERG experience today. So naturally, they're here. But beyond that, one thing that I am super happy about is that we were actually able to get 50 people, a little bit over 50 people, free passes to this summit. So shouts out to the ERG Champs community here for being able to do that. Now, that being said, I do have a few missions for today. Thing one, I do want to get an ERG Champs photo. I want to get a picture with all of us together, at least as many as possible who are able to make it. Anyway, I feel like I'm really just stalling from going inside. My introvert is coming out, so more to come.